Hello, welcome to English RNL. Today, you will come to English listening and speaking workout 15 minutes a day. Let's get started. It's 8:15 a.m. in Manhattan. You're walking into a busy coffee shop on a Monday morning. People are rushing to work, the smell of fresh espresso fills the air, and baristas are calling out orders at lightning speed. Today's lesson will help you order coffee naturally, like a local, understand fast American English, in a busy environment. Practice speaking with real-life phrases. Barista, good morning. What can I get started for you? You, hi, can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please? Barista, sure thing. Would you like that hot or iced? You, hot, please. Oh. And can you make it with an extra shot of espresso? Barista, absolutely. Anything else for you? You. That's all. Thanks, barista. Great. Your total's $5.75. Name for the order. You, Alex. Barista. Perfect. It'll be ready in just a minute. What can I get started for you? Gives a friendly, fast way to say, what would you like to order? In the US, sure thing. Gives informal way to say of course. Hot or iced. Gives Americans often shorten, would you like it hot or iced? To just these three words. Extra shot of espresso gives an additional serving of strong coffee in your drink. That's all gives means, I'm done ordering. Name for the order. Common in US cafes, so they can call you when it's ready. Read the line, then say it exactly like you hear it. Good morning. What can I get started for you? Hi, can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please? Hot, please. Oh, and can you make it with an extra shot of espresso? That's all, thanks. Perfect, it'll be ready in just a minute. In what can I get started for you? Americans often reduce can I to sound like can I, gives what can I get started for you. In that's all, thanks. The T in that's is soft. It blends into all. It sounds like thassle, thanks. Practice linking words. Ready, in just a minute, gives, sounds like ready, dash, in dash, just dash, a dash, minn. It pretend you're ordering coffee. Use these situations. You want an iced cappuccino with almond milk. You want a large black coffee and a blueberry muffin. You're in a hurry and want them to make it to go. Example, barista, good morning. What can I get started for you? You, hi, can I get an iced cappuccino with almond milk, please? In many US cities, coffee shops are busy in the morning. The faster and more clearly you order, the smoother the interaction. Using polite words like please and thanks is expected, but you don't need long sentences. Keep it short and friendly. It's Saturday afternoon. You're at a neighborhood grocery store in LA. The aisles are busy. People are pushing carts, and there's upbeat pop music playing in the background. You need to buy some fresh fruit and a few snacks for a weekend picnic. Store clerk. Hi there. Can I help you find anything today? You, yes, please. Where can I find the strawberries? Store clerk. They're in the produce section, right next to the blueberries. You, great, thanks. Oh, do you have any gluten-free crackers? Store clerk. Yep. They're on aisle 5, halfway down on the right. You, perfect. And could you tell me where the bottled water is? Store clerk. Sure, that's aisle 9, bottom shelf. You, awesome, thank you so much. Store clerk. No problem, have a great day. Hi there. Gives friendly, casual greeting. Can I help you find anything today? Gives common customer service question in US stores. Produce section gives the area with fresh fruits and vegetables. Aisle 5 gives aisle means a walkway between store shelves. Halfway down gives in the middle of the aisle. Bottom shelf gives the lowest shelf on a display. Hi there. Can I help you find anything today? Yes, please. Where can I find the strawberries? They're in the produce section, right next to the blueberries. Do you have any gluten-free crackers? They're on aisle 5, halfway down on the right. In where can I find, can I often sounds like can, in. Halfway down. Stress is on, half and down. No problem is often pronounced quickly. Nay problem, in casual speech. Pretend you're shopping. Try these. Ask for bananas. Ask where the bakery section is. Ask for the location of frozen pizza. Example, clerk, can I help you find anything? You, yes, please. Where can I find the bananas? Asterisk, in us grocery stores, staff are usually friendly and willing to help. It's normal to ask where things are, instead of searching for a long time. Americans often thank the clerk, even if it's a short conversation. Asterisk, it's a sunny Sunday afternoon in Chicago. You're sitting on a bench at Millennium Park, enjoying the fresh air. A friendly local sits next to you while eating ice cream. People are jogging, kids are playing, and you can hear street musicians in the distance. Asterisk, local. Beautiful day, isn't it? You, yeah, it's perfect. The weather's been amazing lately. Local, totally. It's nice to finally have some sunshine after all that rain. You, for sure. Do you come to the park often? Local, pretty often, yeah. I usually jog here on weekends. How about you? You. I'm just visiting Chicago for a few days. Local. Oh nice. First time here. You, yeah, first time. I've been wanting to see the bean in person. Local. You'll love it. And make sure you try deep dish pizza before you leave. You definitely. Thanks for the tip. Asterisk, beautiful day, isn't it? Gives a classic small talk opener about the weather. Totally, for sure gives informal ways to say I agree completely. Do you come to the park often? Gives a polite way to keep the conversation going. Pretty often gives means quite often or fairly often. First time, here. Gives casual question to learn about someone's visit. Deep dish pizza gives a famous Chicago-style pizza with a thick crust. Beautiful day, isn't it? Yeah, it's perfect. The weather's been amazing lately. It's nice to finally have some sunshine after all that rain. Do you come to the park often? Yeah, first time. I've been wanting to see the bean in person. Asterisk, isn't it? In casual speech, often sounds like in it in American conversation. In for sure, the R in for. Connects smoothly, to sure gives sounds like for sure. Stress, the main idea words. Beautiful day, perfect, amazing lately. Asterisk, imagine you're in the park. Start small talk about the weather. Ask if the person comes here often. Share something you're doing in the city. Example, local, beautiful day, isn't it? You, yeah, it's perfect. Do you come here often? Asterisk, in American culture, small talk is a way to be friendly without getting too personal. Common topics: weather, the place you're in, local food, events. Even short conversations can leave a positive impression. Asterisk, it's Friday evening in Dallas, Texas. You walk into a busy fast food place after sightseeing all day. The smell of grilled burgers fills the air. And there's a long line at the counter. The cashier speaks quickly, but friendly, in a typical Texan accent. Asterisk, cashier. Hi there. Welcome to Lone Star Burgers. What can I get for ya? You, hi. Can I get a cheeseburger combo with fries and a Coke? Please cashier, you got it. Would you like regular fries or curly fries? You regular, please. Cashier. All right. And do you want to make that a large combo for just $1 more? You, sure. Why not? Cashier. Great. That'll be $8.49. Name for the order, you, Sam. Cashier. Perfect, Sam. We'll call you when it's ready. Asterisk, what can I get for ya? Gives informal, you pronounced ya, in casual American speech. You got it, gives means, okay, or no problem. Curly fries, gives fries. Cut in a spiral shape, popular in the US. Why not gives casual way to agree to a suggestion. We'll call you when it's ready gives standard phrase in American restaurants. Asterisk, hi, there. Welcome to Lone Star Burgers. What can I get for ya? Can I get a cheeseburger combo with fries and a Coke, please? Would you like regular fries or curly fries? Sure, why not? We'll call you when it's ready. Asterisk for ya is quick. Sounds like faya. In sure. Why not? Sure often sounds like sure and blends with the next word. Stress the main words in your order to be clear. Cheeseburger combo, regular fries. Scenarios: order a chicken sandwich with sweet tea. Ask for curly fries instead of regular fries. Say yes to making your combo large. Asterisk in Texas, service is usually friendly and casual. Ya is very common instead of you. And upselling, offering you to make your meal larger, happens often. Asterisk, you're in downtown San Francisco. Near the Embarcadero. You want to walk to Pier 39, but aren't sure of the fastest route. You stop a passerby to ask. Asterisk you. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to Pier 39? Local, sure. Just head straight down this street for about 10 minutes, then turn left when you see the big sign for Fisherman's Wharf. You got it. Is it walking distance from here? Local, yeah, totally. You'll pass a few coffee shops and street performers along the way. You sounds great. Thanks so much. Local, no problem. Enjoy your time in San Francisco. Asterisk, head straight down, gives walk forward without turning. Walking distance gives close enough to walk. Got it, gives means, I understand. Street performers gives people performing music, dance, or tricks on the street. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to Pier 39? Head straight down this street for about 10 minutes. Is it walking distance from here? You'll pass a few coffee shops and street performers along the way. Thanks so much. Asterisk, could you often sounds like could ya. Got it is short and snappy. Avoid overpronouncing the T. In no problem. The B is soft, almost like no problem. Scenarios: ask for directions to a museum. Ask if the place is far. Thank them politely. Asterisk, in American cities, strangers will often help with directions, especially in tourist areas. It's polite to say excuse me before asking. Asterisk, you've just arrived in Miami after a long flight. You go to the hotel reception to check in. Asterisk, receptionist, good evening. Welcome to the Ocean Breeze Hotel. Do you have a reservation? You, yes. Under the name Taylor. Receptionist, let me check. Yes, I see it here. You're staying for 3 nights, correct? You, that's right. Receptionist, can I see a photo ID and a credit card please? You, sure. Here you go. Receptionist, thank you. Here's your room key. You're in 504, on the 5th floor. Elevators are to your left. You, perfect, thanks. Asterisk under the name gives means the reservation is booked with this name. That's right, gives confirmation phrase. Here you go gives friendly way to say, here it is. On the 5th floor gives Americans use floor, not story. Good evening. Welcome to the Ocean Breeze Hotel. Yes. Under the name Taylor. That's right, here you go. Perfect, thanks. Asterisk in, that's right, stress right. Here you go, flows together, here you go. Perfect, thanks. Is upbeat and polite. Asterisk scenarios. Check in for 2 nights. Ask where the elevator is. Thank the receptionist politely. Asterisk, U.S. hotels almost always ask for a photo ID and credit card at check-in, even if you prepaid online. Asterisk, thank you for watching the video. English listening and speaking workout, 15 minutes a day. If you find it interesting and useful, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel to receive more new lessons. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.